Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome. This is Codewithtec. If you are new to the channel, please make it your duty by subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. And please, we are continuing our CSS series. Hopefully right after this series we are expected to start our JavaScript series. Now for this series here, we will be looking at CSS animation. Guys, as you have been welcome, please subscribe. We'll be looking at CSS animation. So this is just a quick HTML body plate, and in the body of this HTML we're going to put CSS animations here. All right, and then in the here section we're going to use our internal styling. We're going to use an internal styling. We're going to use internal styling. We'll get rid of this entire thing. All right, good. This CSS3, not CSS2. Okay, so down here we are going to write some strip down here showing in the body what we want to start firstly. All right, so without further ado, quickly I will just create a div down here. I'll just create a div down here, and this div, I save it. If I open this into the browser, guys, voila, this is what we will see if I open it into the browser. Now it's taking time to load, but it will open eventually. All right, now okay, if I open this into the browser, this is what you're going to see. Okay, CSS animations. All right, this is our first lesson on CSS animation. Okay, now we come here into our start section where we'll be able to start the div. Firstly, we'll be able to start the div, so we can get the width of our div to be 200 pixels. We come down here and say, we say the height too should be 200 pixels. After that, we come here, we see the background color. We say background color should be red. Good. We come outside this, we say animation. We say the animation name. All right, firstly, this is one thing that you need to be very careful with. Alright, the name you gave your animation, and after the name you gave the animation, you have to give the animation duration. Animation duration. All right, so we'll give the duration 4 seconds. Okay, and the name of our animation is example. Okay, now we come down here to do the main work. Okay, the main work down here will be coding the keyword called keyframe. All right, keyframe. Okay, now if I call the keyword keyframe, I have to bring the animation name. Okay, there's the animation name we have here. All right, there's the animation name called example. So I have to say example and open this our curly brace, and in the curly brace I have to tell it from where to where. All right, I want to say from, I want to tell it from the background color red to, from red, come here and close this. Good. We say to, and open this up. We say background color should be yellow. Good. Now after saying this, we think from red to yellow, we are telling it to transition. Let me open the code up so you can see it properly. We are asking this to transition from red to yellow. Okay, and we are giving it to animate. The duration should be 4 seconds. All right, so I will save the code, and then we'll open it into the browser, or we just head over to the browser and refresh the browser. If I refresh the browser, boom, now you see it is transitioning to yellow color. All right, now let me open the Y up. Each time I refresh it will transition to yellow color. Okay, so guys, this is our first lesson for CSS animation. I hope that we learned something from it using keyframe particularly. I hope that we learned something from it, and I hope that you do give the video a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, guys, please make it your bounty to subscribe, guys, please. So I want us to look at our next lesson, that it will be doing some other things. Animation will be taking it to the next level. CSS animation using keyframe. So guys, thank you very much. I hope to see you guys in the next video of CSS animation with us. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please
subscribe to my channel.